AOGEO Laser Equipment Shanghai Company Limited is established in 2013. Located in Shanghai, China. Is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of laser welding machine, laser marking machine, fiber, carbon dioxide, UV, and CCD vision, laser cleaning machine, fiber and pulse, laser welding machines, fiber, YAG and Robert welding, laser cutting machines and other automatic laser equipment. We have a professional technical team and after-sales team that strictly control product design, raw material procurement, entire production process control, finished product quality inspection, product testing to internal and external packaging, storage, and delivery. We have a complete set of record controls to ensure product quality and machine after-sales service. Each link has specific and clear quality control so that the entire production process is in a controllable state and ensures that the quality of the produced machines is stable and reliable. We constantly pursue excellent quality and ensure that every machine and equipment sent out can meet the global standards of AOGEO Laser. In addition, we have obtained CE, patent, certificates and sold well not only in many cities around China, but also our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Germany, Britain, France, Canada, Australia and other countries. Welcome to visit our company. If you want to select a current product from our catalog or seek engineering assistance for your application or look for long-term cooperation, please kindly talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.